Hello and welcome to lesson 2. It's Otienofx in partnership with Skitsoft Solutions, here to bring you Forex and stock trading from basics to pro. So today's lesson, we are talking about the secrets to consistent trading profits. Okay, so trading is like a casino, and in a casino, who always lose money at the end? It's usually the players. And who always makes money at the end of the day is the casino. And as a player, sometimes you win or sometimes you lose in a short term. You might have a winning streak based on luck, but luck doesn't last forever and it will eventually run out, and eventually the player will lose. And who always makes money in the end? The casino always makes money in the end. I'm sure you've heard this phrase of the house always wins. The casino always wins no matter what happens. That is why the casino will give free food, free entertainment, just to attract people to play some more, because the more people that play, the more money they make. So how do casino guarantee that they always make money in the end? Well, what they do is they rip the game in such a way that they have a statistical edge over the market, where they have a positive expectancy versus the players' negative expectancy. So here is how it works. Let's take a typical roulette. The casino has rigged the game in such a way that they are altogether 18 red and 18 black numbers. Similarly, 18 even, 18 odd numbers. But there are usually 2 green numbers, which are the 0 and the 00. They are in lines and they are secret. So this is what happens. For example, if you bet on black, what's your chance of being right? Your chance is 18, because there are 18 black numbers. Out of not 36, 38, because there are 18 black, 18 red and 2 green numbers. And the casino chance of winning is 20 out of 38, because if the ball lands on the green, the casino wins. So if you look it out, the player's chance of making money is about 47.3%. The casino's edge is 52.7%. So what's the casino edge over the player? 52.7 minus 47.3. That's 5.4%. So the casino have got a 5.4% edge over the player. And this is how they make all the money at the end of the day. So what does 5.4% mean? It means that in the long run, over the many bet, for every $1 that people bet, the casino will make 5.4% of the money, which is 5.4 cents. And if $1 million is on bet, the casino will make $54,000. So the more people that play, the more money they make. So I'm gonna teach you as a professional trader how to replicate the business model of a casino. But first, let me tell you why most people trading Forex and stock market will all lose money. I repeat, 90% will lose money, just like the players who go to the casino. And the reason most people will lose money is because they don't have a plan. They don't have a strategy, right? They buy based on rumors, based on emotions, based on money, based on pips, right? So to most people who trade Forex or stocks, what's their chance of being right? It's a 50-50 chance, right? It's random. It's either goes up or go down. Let me show you an example. So most people who trade or buy stocks or Forex say $10 and they say it's gonna go up. Oh, I believe it's going down, and it doesn't go up, so the market goes down. And they keep on holding, saying, oh, it will reverse, until to a point where they cannot recover and they have a big fat loss. Most people, because of instant gratification, they want to take that small money out of the market and they want to hold losses for long so that they can see profits. So the instant gratification gives them small profits, and the fear of losing money allows them to watch market go down and give it faith that it will come back up, and they have hope, and before they know it, they'll have lost so much. So most people win small and then they lose a lot. Now, as a professional trader, you should always make money at the end of the day. How do you do that? You replicate the business model of a casino. So I've explained how the casino rigged the game in order to have a statistical edge over the player, right? Okay, so as I mentioned, most players, when they buy or sell for currencies or stock is a 50-50 chance. Either it goes up or down. But professional traders, what you do is you study the market. You look for repeatable pattern. You call them price action or applying analysis. And by applying these patterns that are repeatable or analysis, you are able to enter when the statistical edge is in our favor. Okay, so let me give you an example. When you look at a forex market, basically there are three things that can happen in the market. The market either goes in an uptrend, or it goes on a downtrend, or it goes sideways. Okay, so I'm just gonna focus on uptrend and sideways. This one we'll cover later on, right? So if I notice that the trend is on uptrend, for example, you notice that a stock doesn't go up in a straight line. It goes in wave pattern, impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction. Okay, and oftentimes when it corrects to the support level, we call this moving average or support level, and you see this very repeatable wave pattern, it hits that level, it bounces up, it hits that level, it's gonna go up. So as a professional trader, that's when we buy, because on an uptrend, when a price hits the support level after retracement, there is high possibility it's gonna go up. Now, is it guaranteed? Is it 100% it's gonna go up? Of course not, right? Because it can also go down. But when you enter this repeatable price pattern, the chances of it going up is more than 50-50. It's not 100%, but let's take it at 60% it's gonna go up. Of course, there'll be a 40% where it will fail and the trend reverses into a downtrend, okay? So say 40% you lose and 60% you win, okay? That's your edge. Your edge is you win 60%, you lose 40%. Your statistical edge is 20%. That is better than casino. The casino's edge was only 5.4% and they make billions or hundreds of millions, whatever it is, right? But as a professional trader, your edge is now 20%. Now, even if you are right only 55% of the time and you are wrong 45% of the time, that's still a 10% edge. So being a professional trader is better than owning a casino. Okay, so here is what happens. As a casino, when you bet as a player, you're betting 1-to-1. When you lose $100. When you make profits, you make $100. You lose or make $100. But as a professional trader, you don't lose 1-to-1. You only risk 1 for 2. It's either you risk $1 to make a high amount, like 2 or more. So how do you ensure this happens? You have a stop loss and a profit target. Stop loss to guarantee how much you are willing to lose. Take profit or profit target to guarantee how much you make in profit. This is the example. Usually when a market goes sideways, it's in a ray. So it's hit what we call resistance, goes to somewhere where we call support. So you have to see it in repeatable price pattern. It can happen in the forex, it can happen in the stock. We only trade when you see a repeatable price pattern. It might not happen. So for example, let's say this is $10 and this is $15. So the price hits the support level and what's happening? Obviously it goes up. So we are going to buy at this point here. So is it a guarantee it's going to go up? No. It's just a probability, but better than the 50-50, right? But here we can say, based on this price pattern, going up is a 60% chance and the chance of going down is a 40% chance. Here's the difference. Say I buy at $11. What do? I have to put a stop loss. Say, hey, if it goes to $9, cut it. So if you lose $2, the trade will stop automatic. So by placing a stop loss, you have guaranteed yourself in case you made the wrong entry, you'll only lose 2. And you should always ensure that the distance for take profit from the point where you're buying at this 11 to 15, how much do you make? So when you minus that is $4. So this is $4. You're risking $2 to make $4. In other ways, you're saying you're risking 1 to make 2 with a 60% win rate. And that's how you rig the game in the forex or stock market. Now, if you do this consistently, out of, for example, 100 trades, now I do about 16 to 10 trades a month. So it takes me about 10 months to make 100 trades. So out of 100 trades, again, my win rate is 60%. I'm going to win 60 trades and I'm going to lose 40 trades. So each time I lose $1, because like I mentioned, we fixed our stop loss and target profit, where profit to return to risk is 1 to 2. So what happens now? I lose $40 here, I make $120. So when you do the math, at the end of this, you have $80. You see, whenever I make a trade, I have no idea it will win or lose. But over many trades of, let's say, 100 and for 50, I'll always win because of statistics being in my favor. I make $80. In other words, if I'm risking $1 for 100 trades, that is a $80 return. 80% returns. Okay? Now, of course, there is no guarantee that you're going to win 60%. Now, what if the worst case scenario happens and say you get a stream of bad luck, right? And your win rate only goes out to 50%. It means that out of 100 trades, you win 50, you lose 50. But because of the risk to return ratio of how you read the market, this is what will happen. Here it will be 50 trades by 1, making it $50. But we are winning by 2, so 50 by 2. So that is 100. So out of 100 trades, when you minus this, you still have $50 in. So that is how you always make money consistently at the end of the day in Forex